Yeah, one time, yeah. You know I gotta go in on this one. You know how I do it though. You already know. I've been feeling like I'm ready for the top. Got the pedal to the metal. I've been grinding non-stop, killing every instrumental, and I knew just what I wanted. Now I gotta go and get it, and I'm never looking back, only looking where I'm headed. And I doubted for a minute, trying to get another win. I burned a lot of bridges, but I know that I can swim. I don't need nobody else. People trying to take my credit, I can do it by myself, cause I got it all embedded in my mind. I'm a psycho, trying to get it right though, trying to save my time. I've been feeling like I'm Geico, ballin' in my prime. I've been feeling like a Michael, trying to get another comma, but it ain't a typo. Know that it's coming, I gotta keep running. I'm feeling the loving, I keep it 100. I get it how I want it. I've been at it 5 years, never getting cold feet. When my second album drop, it's going platinum in a week. Yeah, you probably think I'm crazy, but I gotta dream big, and I gotta keep on going till I got my dream crib, and I gotta keep on going till I got my dream whip, and I gotta keep on going till my parents they can quit. Got a lot up on my chest, man, it's getting hard to breathe. Gotta take what I can get, got me feeling like a thief, and I'm only living once, so now I can never settle. Gotta be one of the best, got me feeling like Marcelo. You already know I gotta do it. You know what it is, man, is this what they wanted? Alright, let me bring it back. Yeah, let me bring it back. Tryna get it fast like it's Ramadan. I've been ballin' out, check the stats like Olajuwon. First round pick when they put me in the league. I've been waiting for my turn, but right now they all asleep. Tell them wake up, cause you know the ship is leaving soon. And you better get on board, cause it's running out of room. And my circle getting smaller like I'm playing Fortnite. This a battle royale, never scared to take a fight. Am I a winner or a sinner, or I'm somewhere in between? Did the music slowly turn me to a money hungry fiend? Did I lose my sight of vision, getting focused on the streams? I've been trying to make it happen back when I was 17, almost 23, and I never gave up on myself. I've been working overtime, losing track of my own health, and they when it all comes down to it, I just wanna free my mind, yeah. Even if I gotta go through it, I just wanna live my life, yeah. Even when times get hard, I pray that I see signs, but I gotta keep on pushing. I just wanna free my mind, yeah. Got a lot of things that I didn't say, wrote a lot of things that I didn't save. All this shit is trapped in my mind, and I'm trying to get it out, but I'm scared that it can't escape, cause everyone gon' listen to it. Or maybe I just tell myself that, got me feeling held back. I've been trying to just get through it, only 1 second thought got me thinking I'll regret that. It's crazy if you come and see it through my eyes. All my goals in my sight, but they devils in disguise now. The closer that I get, the further that they seem, but they tell me that I'm gifted, and I hope it's a surprise now, cause I know that everything is coming soon. Wait until I shine, but all I'm seeing is the moon. I've been praying every night that I'll never lose my touch, but as long as I'm alive, I can't ever give it up, man. When it all comes down to it, I just wanna free my mind, yeah. Even if I gotta go through it, I just wanna live my life, yeah. Even when times get hard, I pray that I see signs, but I gotta keep on pushing. I just wanna free my mind, yeah. I did some wrong things in the past, and when I'm looking back, I'm not asking for forgiveness. I had to go and learn my own life lessons, and when I think about it, God was the only witness. So I don't listen to what other people say, cause they didn't know my story, they just came along the way. And everything gon' happen how it's supposed to, because it wouldn't be reward without the shit you gotta go through. And sometimes I just gotta take my own advice, hoping that my shine gonna make up for the colder nights, hoping that the best things in life won't be overpriced, hoping that I'll make it to the top and don't get scared of heights. Damn, the whole come up is a mind game. Everybody out here trying to go and ride a new wave. I'ma always keep it true to myself, cause all that being fake can't be good for your health. I know when it all comes down to it, I just wanna free my mind, yeah. Even if I gotta go through it, I just wanna live my life, yeah. Even when times get hard, I pray that I see signs, but I gotta keep on pushing. I just wanna free